In today's recipe, I'm going to share with you how I prepare my Ghana Konkonte, that is cassava flour swallow. I have some palm nut soup that I've already made and some judith soup that I'm going to enjoy. First of all, I have 3 cups of cassava flour and you need to sieve it. To prepare this food, you need to boil your water. So I have 7 cups of water here, and then we have 3 cups of the flour. I took 3 cups aside, then I have 4 here. So gently pour in your cassava flour, and this time no joke, keep on stirring or you're going to get lumps that at the end you can't break some. So keep on stirring. Yes, you stir, you hit it on the saucepan. There you go. So at this point it was hard for me, and don't add cold water. Yes, add the hot water that you set aside and then cover it to let it boil. Then you stir, then you have your teasers. Some people call it face the wall. Yes, when you face the wall to eat this food, yes, no one can disturb you, right? Yes, you have it. Home sweet food, you have it there in one, and I think it's easy to digest, and then anyway, it's just a bunch of kwa, so don't eat this on regular basis, just once a while, then you eat. Thank you all for watching Home Sweet Food. Thank you, and keep watching more. Bye bye. Yes, a cool young